Video. Yeah.
Okay, wait. I want to jump.
Okay, okay.
Ay, ako lagi! Dati sila man yung jump.
Okay, okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Woo!
Mani yun naman nila, tapos Marnie.
Marnie.
Okay, cukup! Dari sini lah. Kelang kau juga kan? Ayo. Yun na siya, video kami. Ano? Lekar.
Okay. Baci. Okay. Aku lagi. I'm the cameraman. I'm going to the front of with my friends over there for taking our videos and to take interview for him. Okay, buddy, how are you? You're busy, right? You listening music? Oh, I think you're hungry.
Makan lang.
Mie goreng. What about you? You feel hungry? No.
Yes.
Okay. I'm hungry too. I'm gonna take a little bit of mie goreng. Still good? We're now here in the resort golf apa nama lugar ini? Apa nama tempat? God. This is all something. This guy is something. Also this, including that. Including over there. We are now eating, all of us, we are now eating mee goreng. Mee goreng ayam is the number one in Malaysia. I want it to be separate from there. Okay. Okay, I may now start eating mee goreng ayam. It's made from Malaysia, the number one food in Malaysia ever since. Anjang. Nice taste, very well. Okay, bye.